Прокачиваем английский язык с помощью историй. Послушайте эту историю на английском языке, после этого загляните в описание к этому видео. Там вы найдете перевод на русский язык, вопросы к этой истории и разбор некоторых фраз из истории. Подписывайтесь на канал, ставьте лайк, и мы начинаем.
Leo worked as a designer from his quiet home. One warm afternoon, he noticed his laptop screen went completely black. He tried to turn it on, but nothing happened. He needed help quickly. He walked down the street to a small repair shop. Inside, a friendly engineer named Anna looked at the device. She smiled and said it was a simple battery problem. While Anna fixed the computer, they talked about modern digital technology. Leo shared his ideas about web design, and Anna explained how she repaired complex electronics. They enjoyed the conversation. 30 minutes later, the laptop worked perfectly again. Leo paid for the fast work and thanked Anna. He returned home feeling happy and ready to finish his project.